Bow chicka bow bow chicka bow 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 chicka bow bow chicka bow 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 chicka bow bow chicka bow 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 chicka bow bow chicka bow bow. Another quality movie from Seagull Dirty Bird Productions.
Hello, Scott. Hello, Matt. What are you doing? I don't know. Nice day to go out in the boat. Yeah, we need to go out in the boat. We need to go fishing. We can go fishing. We'll go get in our boat. There's our boat. Yay! Okay, hang on, Scott. Here we go. Oh no, Matt. The boat don't start. No, it doesn't, Scott. Maybe we need to put wheels and tires on it. Come on, Scott. Boats don't have wheels and tires. Yeah, but the trailers do. We don't have a trailer for our boat. Oh, maybe that's why it don't crank. Yeah, you're probably right, Scott. We need a trailer and tires and wheels. Now what do we do? Well, we can fish from the shore. Okay, we'll just fish from the shore. Okay, Scott, I'm gonna cast the line. Okay. Where's my pole? We only brought one fishing pole. Oh, well, I'll stand behind you. I'll help you hold your pole. Okay. Oh, are you tugging on my pole? No, but I'm choking up on it. Oh, then there's something on the line.
Hey, you boys. That ain't your sausage. It's coming back with me.
Damn you queer from Bonware. That was our sausage. You never share your sausage with us. We like sausage too. I guess we're done fishing. Well, goodbye.